True story, I have actually ruined my entire crop of garlic after harvest because I didn't cure it properly. Do not be me. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to clean and dry garlic like a pro, how to tell when it's done curing, plus my tips for safe long-term storage. Hi guys, I'm April from Resprout. Like and subscribe for more garden tips and tutorials for my suburban front yard garden where I help you garden like a boss. So why does garlic curing matter? Isn't garlic already dry when you pull it out of the ground? Nope. Freshly harvested garlic still holds moisture in the bulb, stem, and roots. Left unchecked, that moisture invites mold, bacteria, and rot. Curing is the process of slowly drying garlic to make it shelf stable. Properly cured, softneck garlic can last 6 to 8 months, and hardneck garlic more like 2 to 4 months. Curing also preps garlic for storage by removing dirt and cleaning off the outer layers. Because who wants a bunch of dirty food in their pantry? Cleaning your garlic is the first step to a successful cure. Skip it and you're inviting disease into storage. The simplest way to clean garlic is to gently pull off the lowest leaf. It'll take the dirtiest outer layer with it along with most of the debris. But timing matters, so do this within an hour or so of harvest. Once the leaves dry out, they won't peel cleanly. Whatever you do, don't wash your garlic with water. That just adds moisture and moisture invites rot. Instead, use a stiff brush to knock off any remaining dirt. And don't forget the roots. Leave the stem long if you're going to braid your garlic, or trim it to about 6 inches if you're laying it on a screen to cure. Cleaning is also a great time to check for damaged bulbs. These won't cure or store right, so separate these out, put them in the fridge, and eat them soon. Once your garlic is clean, it's time to bundle it up and hang it to dry. Group 6 to 8 stems together depending on the bulb size. Tie them a few inches above the bulbs using twine. Make sure the bunches aren't too tight. Airflow is key to preventing mold. Hang the bunches in a warm, dry space out of direct sun, like a shed, garage, or barn. No space to hang garlic? No problem. You can cure garlic by laying it flat on a breathable surface like mesh, window screens, or even a flipped plastic crate like I do. Just make sure there's space between the bulbs and plenty of airflow underneath. Use a fan if needed to boost circulation, especially indoors. Braiding garlic is definitely not essential, but it's beautiful and practical. Garlic braids are a traditional way to cure and store garlic, and they look amazing hanging in a kitchen or pantry. If your stems are flexible and untrimmed, you can weave them into ropes or wreaths. You might not get it perfect on the first try, but it still works. Plus, braided garlic cures just like bunches, and it's easier to grab when you're cooking. Now, I myself have not braided garlic, but let us know in the comments if you have and how easy it was. I am a little intimidated, not gonna lie. No matter how you dry your garlic, location is everything. The space you choose should be dry, well ventilated, and out of direct sun. I use my garage, but barns, basements, even shaded porches can all work. If you have a wacky place where you successfully cured garlic, let us all know in the comments. Regardless of where you cure, remember to keep temps below 90 degrees Fahrenheit and above freezing. Airflow is key. Avoid places with moisture, condensation, or risk of rain. Garlic needs to dry, not rehydrate. Curing garlic takes time, usually about 3 weeks. But don't go by the calendar, go by the garlic. You'll know it's ready when there's no green left in the stem and the stem feels hard. The neck will be constricted and the outer skin should be dry and papery. A cured bulb should crack open easily. No bendy necks, no soft spots. Before you store them, check each bulb. Toss anything with rot or signs of disease. Once your garlic is cured, storing it right will make it last through the winter, even longer. Garlic can be stored by pickling or canning, but the most common way is drying and storing. Store it in something breathable like a mesh bag, crate, or onion sack. You want to keep garlic in a cool, dry, dark place with no direct sun and no moisture. An undamaged, cured garlic should definitely not go in the fridge. Make sure you store it somewhere with low humidity, good airflow, and cool temperatures. Avoid sealed containers, especially plastic or glass, since they trap moisture and cause rot. I learned that the hard way when I stored uncured green garlic in open-top mason jars. That was a disgusting, moldy mess, and they were all ruined. I hope this video helped you out. Remember to sign up for my email newsletter for more garden resources. And keep gardening like a boss, and I'll see you guys soon.